Class 19, control of one lamp from two places, means it is staircase wiring. Okay, see, before that, one thing, see whether you have a 2-pin socket or 3-pin socket, always the right of the socket should be given to the face, means it should come from the switch, because switch is given to the face. Left is given to the neutral directly, whether there is earth or not. Okay, so sometimes there is no earth. For simple loads, there is no earth. Right. Now staircase wiring means control of one lamp from two switches. You use two switches here for one lamp. So one lamp is one, switch is two. Two switches are there. Switches are two. Okay. See, it is two-way switch or SPDT, double pole switch, double throw switch. We will see it late shortly. See, it has two positions, up and down, or this way and that way. The other switches what you have seen, it is only on and off. See, it has only one position, means on and off. Say only two positions, on and off, but it is controlling only one position. We say even though there are two positions, we say it is only one position because connection is connected to only one, or no. Here it is two way. This is one way, means either on or off, whereas this one is two way, either to this or to that, either to A or to B. See A B, A dash B dash. Okay, you can say A B, A dash B dash. I have not written here. Okay, that is written here because if I write more and more in examination, you have to write more and more. That is why here only I have written. See, neutral is connected directly to lamp's one terminal. Phase is directly connected to one switch's middle terminal. Means middle terminal of first switch is connected to phase directly, of course, via fuse. For easy instruction, I am saying directly. Actually, it is via fuse. Then, okay, middle end of the other lamp is given to the free end of the middle end of other switch is given to the free end of the other lamp. Okay, now you should consider these two switches as one switch. Okay, middle end of one switch is one end, middle end of other switch is another end of the combined switch. So if phase is given to middle end of one switch, then middle end of other switch is considered as free end, which is given to the lamp's free end. Then the remaining ends in each switch are connected to corresponding remaining ends of the other switch. A to A to A dash, B to B dash. A to A dash, see, A to A dash. Through pipe you have to draw. B to B dash. Yes, okay. B to B dash. Now, neutral is connected directly. See, like this, like this, like this. Phase is given to middle end. The other middle end is connected to free end of the lamp. Here the switches are two-way switches, which is also shown here. This switch will have three terminals. 1, 2, 3. Middle means common. Okay, this is common. This is given to the input. Okay, and say to the other end and this one end. Okay, you can use this switch for other purpose, but here we are using for staircase wiring. If you use for you can also use here this switch for two lamps. Okay, control of two lamps from one switch. Okay, now this is control of one lamp from two switches. Control of two lamps from one switch means this is supply. Okay, you can give here phase. Okay, this is extra I am telling. Those who are not interested can stop video here. Okay, see here. Okay, let us take this switch. You have say here a lamp. Okay, put a lamp here, put another lamp here, two lamps. Okay, we have here phase, connect phase to the middle point, which is figure I am writing in. Okay, this is phase. Okay, sorry, this is phase. Now give neutral directly. Okay, to both the lamps. Figure is not, I am writing in a zigzag manner to save your time and also my time. So connect neutral here. Okay, like this. Now neutral goes to both the lamps directly. See, this is phase, the other is neutral. Okay, now off the switch, give one to the other one phase. Okay, another to the other phase. Okay, now this switch you have common here. Okay, we will write here A and B. Two positions. Okay, A means this one. Okay, A means this one. B means this one. Okay, now when you throw the switch to position A, bulb 1 will glow. This is bulb 1. Okay, load 1 will glow. When you throw the switch to position B, sorry, okay, this is bulb 1. Okay, so it is that's all. So when you throw the switch to bulb 1, sorry, switch to position A. I'm trying to whether you can see everything together. Okay, right. So this is load 1. Okay, LOA, actually it is LOAD. Okay, so when you throw the switch to position A, switch load 1 will get supply. Let us write this like this. Okay, and let us draw the line like this. Assume that you have a line here. Okay, so when you throw switch to position A, current will go like this, like from phase to lamp and then to neutral. If current flows from phase to neutral via load, that load will be energized. Remember one thing. Okay, when you throw the switch to position B, current will go from phase to B to second load and then neutral. So this is like controlling two lamps from one switch. There are many types of electric wiring. In hospitals, you need separate type. In industry, you need separate facilities. Anyhow, that you will see detailed. If you are electrical students, you will study in detail in your electrical wiring syllabus. And regarding here, something regarding with the switches, let us see. See, this is SPST switch. Single pole, single throw. Single pole means there is only one line. Throw means when you throw, it will make a contact. So single pole, single throw. SPST. Second is single pole, double throw. What that is what just we had discussed now. This is single pole, double throw. Single pole, double throw, or two-way switch. Its symbol is, it is shown like this or also like this. Okay, pole means it can be given to input. Throw 1, throw 2. If you place the switch, means if you throw the switch to T1, current will flow from P pole to T1. If you throw to T2, current will flow from P to T2. T1, T2. Common A, B or pole T1, T2, like that. See, in detail it is given here. SPST, single pole, single throw. This is single pole, only one pole. Throw is also one. Here throw are two. Input, this means this. A means this. B means this. Input means left. Output means right. Here you can interchange. You can, this can be in output, this can be input, no problem. Here you can interchange A and B, but middle one is the input. You cannot interchange the input. Means the common you cannot use for the other terminal. A and B you can say this is B, this is A. It is left to you. If you stand at one position, you can say this is left hand, that this is left side, that is right side. If you stand in the reverse side, left will be right, become right, right will become left. That's all. Okay, right. See, visually, this is SPST. Okay, you have only two terminals. SPST. Only two terminals. SPDT. Three terminals. Three, three, three. Actually, I have drawn these three lines. The back side is not visible. Actually, it will be like metallic plates with the screws for inserting wires and tightening. Right. Next, you have DPST and DPDT. See, double pole, single throw. Okay, double pole, single throw. Where is double pole, single throw? Uh, double pole, double throw is there. DPDT, DPST. I think I have forgotten to write. Okay, DPST. It will be like this. Okay, DPST will be like this. DPST means remove 2T. Remove 2T. That's all. That will become DPST. Okay. DP means there will be two poles. So this will be DPST. Connection of both phase and neutral or plus and minus. Both are given. Okay. Here DPST means it will be like this. Only this much. This is DPST switch. You can write this, add this to for better appearance. So this is DPST, on or off, not this way or that way. Okay, for DPDT you have double pole switch, double throw switch. You have this way or that way. Okay, this is DPST. And see DPDT. You have this way or that way. This way, right side or left side. Okay. Sometimes people show only this one. Sometimes they show two wires also. See, to this there are six terminals. One, two, three, four, five, six. Wires are shown here only for this way, left way, or right way. No wire is shown to this. Some people show it more clearly. Show two wires here also. Okay, which implies, say, this can be connected to supply. Okay, the left two can be connected to, say, load 1. The right two can be connected to load 2. Okay, this one and this one both are same. DP-DT is also known as DP2T, double pole two throw. SP-DT can also be said as SP2T, single pole two throw. Okay, double pole double throw. See here, switch can be thrown to this side or that side. Practical, it is like this. This is the handle. Okay, you can lift the handle and place to this side. These two are like to the input supply. These two to left side, these two to right side. Now there is connection between supply to left, supply to left. No connection between supply and right. Okay, actually here This should be erased. Okay, here there is arrow mark. Here this is not necessary. I have copied this from internet. This is not necessary. I don't know why. Okay. Or you have to remove this. Actually, you should not remove this. See here. This dotted line implies both these arms move together. Okay, that is what this dotted line implies. Some show like this instead of dotted line. See, this dotted line implies this wooden arm. This is conductor. See, this is conductor. Okay, I'll draw here. This is conductor. This is conductor. Means this is conductor. This is conductor. But this is not a conductor. That is wooden or insulator handle. So that both are both are tied together so that it can be moved. This is not a conductor. That is handle. Okay. Right. So we will write this figure in our notes. Copy and paste. Double pole, double throw. Right. Similarly, we have here you can see single double pole, single throw, two poles. So you have only four terminals. Single pole, single throw. Two for input, two for output. Only four. DP/DT we have six. Two for input, two for this way, two for that way. See DP ST. Sorry, this is DP/DT. Okay, the second one is DP/DT. We have to correct them. This is DP/DT. You can see there are six terminals. DP/DT or DP/2T. What happened? Okay. So this is DP/DT. Okay. There is some problem. Okay. I will correct it later. So understand that this is DP/DT. The second one is DP/DT. Similarly, in three pole for three phase supply, we have TPST, TPDT on and off. These dotted lines are must in DP and TP switches because both the arms will move together in parallel. This is TPDT, this one and this one. Here this is touching now, making contact to the left side. So here in TPST we will have six terminals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In TPDT you will have 9 terminals 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, 3 right, and middle one to supply. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in TPST. Okay, you also have other switches. Okay, no need for you. SP3T, you can give to this way, that way, or another way. Even in DP also, TP also, you have 3T. Lots of things are there in switches. If you keep on studying, endless. There is no end for knowledge and information. Fine. Thank you, boss.